I definitely feel like there's a space to make, break and create, as it's a really nice way to develop your hands-on skills.
I wasn't planning on going to university. I came here for an open day with my son, and then I ended up enrolling because I was so blown away.
A project that made me go wow was when I done Smart Cities 1 last year. My group, we created a smart tube platform, which was very interesting. We got to work on facial recognition, we got to make a model, we got to do circuitry, we all got to do lots of different things.
I would describe TEDI as a place that's very innovative. I don't sit in a classroom.
A project that I've worked on that's made me go wow would be my prototyping project, where my group has made a prototype pen plotter, but actually it's a vertical pen plotter, which is very different to what we've seen.
We have a very friendly community where all the peers know each other, and we do always work in different teams, meaning you get to work with pretty much everyone by the end of your degree. The teachers are super nice and always available to help you. This is almost one-on-one support that you probably would not get anywhere else.